Anon brothers and sisters. One key fundamental characteristic of Anonymous is its pursuit of truth. Another is its wish to see humanity unite and liberate itself from the psychopathic controlling elite. Unfortunately, not a lot of this shit is getting accomplished due to assholes lurking around every corner who've done little to no research, yet want to fight and argue about anything and everything. For fuck's sake. Infighting is bad enough when opposing factions are both well researched and actively working to progress the state of humanity on Earth. But nowadays the archetypal overly opinionated douchebag is ubiquitous. I mean goddamn, he's fucking everywhere. And everywhere generating tension and infighting. Not even legit infighting. Really, just bickering. Bickering like some bitches. Here's the thing. Disagreement and debate is not only healthy, but it is also vital in propelling higher our knowledge and deeper our understanding. So please do have that discussion with someone you disagree with. You may be right, he may be right. Or maybe neither of you are right. But don't be an argumentative cunt about it. An effective way to knock off some of the bullshit would be for everyone to do more research. More learning. Continuing to develop your craft. Of course, I know that. What else can I do, you might ask? Well, that's actually a great question, and I'm glad you asked. They're called ops. Participate in ops. This should go without saying. Anonymous is quite diverse. Find some ops going on related to whatever it is that you do. Participate in whatever way you're able. Or start one. Do something to help. Contribute however you safely can. Stay literally anonymous, and communicate about related information only with others involved, and only as necessary, always through a secure channel. And if you don't feel like raising your hand for ops, and especially if you contribute nothing but stagnant ignorance and volatile infighting, kindly fuck off. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.